Oh my god, he like comes up and like looks at you.
Fuck that! Oh hey, it's me Olive, your makeup girl, and welcome back to my channel. Time has passed, and it's time for a new Zodiac makeup tutorial. And today, it's Libra season. So today, our makeup look is going to be inspired by you wonderful air signs. So if you want to see what this makeup look looks like, then keep on watching. But before we get into this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you check out all my other socials at the Olive Cox for more drag fun. All right, I'm gonna go shave my face and put my contacts in, and I'll be right back. And I'm back. As you can see, I have my face all shaved, I have my contacts in, and we can get into this look. And as you can see, normal brows. You know, weird, right? Like, usually not like this. I mean, we're not doing drag today. Bummer, right? I know. Still gonna do a very in-depth like makeup tutorial, so get ready for it. Right now I'm just priming my skin, and for those of you who like are unaware, we've now entered Libra season. So all you fun-loving air signs, this is your season. And this makeup look is actually going to reflect air signs. Libras are all about balance. An air sign who always tries to keep balance in my head is Avatar Aang. So today, that's what the makeup look is gonna be inspired by. The Last Airbender himself. And we're going like Aang in the Avatar state at like the beginning of book 3 when he has hair. Because I don't want to do a bald cap, it's like a whole thing. First, I'm just taking a little bit of blue foundation on the back of my hand and map out his arrow with the blue foundation. And I'm like making sure I really get him into the hairline. That way it looks like it's actually like going back there. Also, can we discuss that like he's 12 and has tattoos? Badass. And Libra's symbol is the balance scales. So really focusing in on that balancing aspect of Libras. And the perfect air person, that's a technical term, that wants balance throughout the whole world, is the Avatar. Cute. Now we have that all mapped out. Should I set it with a blue eyeshadow? All as well. Alright, and I'm taking the shade Channel Surfer from the Trixie Cosmetics Daytime Realness palette, and I'm setting that arrow with the eyeshadow. How many of you are fans of Avatar The Last Airbender? It is like one of my favorite like children's like television animated TV shows. It's so good. Good family entertainment. And it covers like a wide array of like topics and everything. Cute. Have that arrow set. Now I'm gonna go in with some foundation all over the face. Don't forget to get those ears. All right, now I'm starting to blend the foundation, bouncing it on the face. And we are going to pretend that this is my shade of foundation. A little easier to get away with it in drag, but here we are. I forgot to color correct. It's okay. It's okay, we'll allow it. We will allow it. He just hasn't shaven. Trying to build up a little more coverage around my beard area. Aang is supposed to look 12, not... And for those of you who don't know, Aang is from Avatar The Last Airbender, which was a television series on Nickelodeon in the mid-2000s. Oh, and it had a sequel series, which was The Legend of Korra, which introduced a queer lead, which, you know, my gay ass loved. Right now I'm going in with some concealer. We have something. Now I'm going in with some concealer. And today I'm not doing the crazy like drag highlight I normally do with the concealer. Just a little bit in the inner corner, outer corner, blend her out, and we can go from there. And now I'm highlighting the center of the face with the concealer, as well as adding more coverage. Ah, but Libras, we love Libras, they're great. A little emotional, but you know, as a Pisces, we love that. We're on like the same like wavelength and everything, except, you know, they're an air sign, so I like to lip a little bit. They're a little all over the place, just part of their charm. And I'm also taking that concealer and placing it on the lid, and I'm using that as an eyeshadow primer. And right now I'm quickly setting that concealer. That was So annoying. Time to set that foundation. And now I'm setting the rest of the face. All right, now I'm dusting away that excess powder. Before we do anything else, I'm gonna refresh my face with some setting spray just so it looks like skin again. I'm gonna go finish mapping out my face and mapping out one of these eyes off camera to save some time, and I'll be right back. No! All right, and I'm back. As you can see, I did the rest of my base. I finished this eye, and now I can zoom you in so we can focus in on this eye and we can get this look started. And for this look today, I'm using the NikkieTutorialsxBeautyBayPallete. And first I'm dipping into the shade Mila, which is a warm camel brown, and I'm placing that in the crease. Right now I'm just placing the color and I'll blend her out a little more afterward. All right, now I'm blending out that eyeshadow. Next, on a denser brush, I'm taking the shade 5 AM and I'm placing that lower in the crease, focusing most of the color on the outer end of the eye, and then I'll blend her in. Back and forth motion to blend her in. And then going back into the shade Mila, I'm blending that out again. And we're going for like a rounded shape. We want the eye inspired by like Aang in the Avatar state. Now I'm placing a little concealer on the back of my hand and I'm about to cut my crease and trying to match the other side. Now I'm taking the shade Mama Tutorials on my finger and I'm placing that all over my lid. All right, now that I have that lid all covered, I also put a white liner on top of that just to add more of like a pop. Now I'm dipping back into the shade 5 AM and I'm placing that in my outer third. And I'm dragging it under the eye as well. Taking that same shade under the eye. Now it's liner time. I'm taking a liner and quickly lining that eye. Now I'm gonna set that eyeliner quickly. Libras are peaceful, fair, and they hate being alone. Partnership is very important to them. These individuals are fascinated by balance and symmetry. They are in a constant chase of justice and equality, which is also why I thought Aang would be like the perfect like makeup tutorial for this. Very like Libra. All right, now I'm placing some white liner in my waterline. All right, now that we have the eyes in a good spot, I'm gonna retouch the face a little bit before we do the finishing touches. Well, I guess these are the finishing touches. Now I'm dipping back into some bronzer and just reinforcing that. A little hit of this just in the perimeter, just to add some warmth. This is very much if like Aang was like super glam and stuff. Now I'm dipping back into some blush, and by that I mean eyeshadow. All right, put a little blush on the nose too, the chin, the jaw, everything. Make this look as youthful as possible. I'm gonna spray the face a little bit, some setting spray. Now I'm placing the shade Mama Tutorials in the center of the arrow just to add some shine. Right, and then the perimeter of the arrow, I'm adding the shade Amsterdam, which is a deep blue, just to further add dimension to the arrow. And now I'm taking a little bit of the shade Static from the NikkieTutorials. Wow, from the Trixie Cosmetics Daytime Realness palette, and I'm placing that in the center of the arrow. Oh, that's fun. I added a little bit of the Amsterdam shade to the outer corner of the eye, just so it ties in with the arrow, and I kind of love. Add a little setting spray to the face. Now I'm adding highlighter to the high points of the face. I'm taking a little bit of highlighter on the tip of my nose, and then going over that with some blush. All right, now I'm gonna place some rhinestones on my lids just to add even more shine. All right, now I'm doing it to the other side. Libra strengths are that they're cooperative, diplomatic, gracious, fair-minded, and social. All right, now on a super dense brush, I'm taking that blush and I'm adding some of it to the front of the face because, oh, that's one of my favorite things about Avatar. Like, it always shows you, like, whenever a character likes another character because they're, like, blushing. It's so cute. Oh no, my Pisces is showing. But also, like, Libras are, like, pretty similar. All right, sorry about that. My camera cut out again. Typical. So I added the blush and I added the little arrows. Oh, look, it's coming together. Also, while you were gone, I added lashes, mascara, all the good stuff. All right, I'm gonna go do my finishing touches off camera to save some time, and I'll get the rest of my stuff on, and I'll be right back with the finished look. And this is the finished look, y'all. This Libra-inspired Avatar State makeup tutorial is all finished. How do we feel about it? I feel like I look so cute, especially with like all this blush and stuff. I have like my normal blush, and then, you know, I have the like cartoonish Avatar blush. Like this is like giving me like Aang blushing when like Katara like gives him a little compliment and stuff. It's like, oh, sweet see you. I think it looks cute. How do we feel about all the like stones on the eyes and stuff? You know, since he's the Avatar, he knows how to move some stones, right? Because he can earthbend, so why not put some like of those on my face? This lip is really strange for me because it's like not even like a lip, it's like a whisper of a lip. And he doesn't really have lips. It's kind of sad. He has like a bottom lip. So that's what I try to give to you. I don't know how it looks, but you know, we did it. Also, excuse me.
Quiet on set.
What does Aang say when he goes into the Avatar state? Fire Lord Uzzah!
You and your forefathers have devastated the balance between good and evil on this earth, and now you shall pay the ultimate price.
You've only seen it a few times.
That's just my favorite line in the whole movie. Or movie, show.
Series. Yeah, this look, kind of weird. I don't have like a drag brow. Strange, right? I like my normal like brow. How do we feel about it? Don't read me. Don't. I know what you're trying to do. No, we're not doing that today.
I'm about to read you.
Anyway, how do we feel about like the makeup look? How do we feel about Libras? Libras, they're kind of it. Like, for like an air sign, they're like one of my faves. Like, they're like so loving, and like they're kind of like the air version of a Pisces. So like maybe that's why we're on the same like wavelength and everything. Interesting. Which is probably why Aang and Katara get along so well.
Duh. They talk about it in the series.
True.
That's why Aang has an easy time picking up the water bending, but not so much picking up
earth bending, because they are opposites. Alright, y'all, if you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you check out all my other socials at The Olive Cox for more drag fun. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Is it weird that Aang and I have the same body type?
Just doing your own voice, huh?
Yikes. Once again, being red on my own channel. Speaking of red.
You know who you actually look like?
Who?
The girl from the theater that played.
I know, I was thinking about that when I did it. I kind of live for it though. Oh, she's kind of fun, kind of fresh.
I'm an incurable prankster. I hated her.
We love her. That's how you sound, Twinkle Toes. I'm tear bending. Me.